I know I heard Guinea Girl out here. I knew it, girl. What's up, Guinea Girl? Oh, she's leaving. Good morning, Guinea. Girl, you causing a lot of noise this morning. I hadn't seen you in a while. Well, I guess it's been cold. Yeah. It's rained and so, yeah. The pond is ready for you guys. I heard a lot of deer out here last night. Happy Wednesday. I am going to get something right there. Since the snow took away my gazebo, I'm going to move that right there. Such a busy morning. Thank you, Lord. Such a peaceful morning. Waiting on my coffee. We might get some rain today. Maybe not. The grass is kind of wet. Guinea Girl.